What if you could trade clock-ins for following a step-by-step plan that builds income resulting in money appearing in your account while you're living life? You've spent years trading time for a paycheck, hoping it would eventually lead to more freedom. But somehow, the harder you've worked, the further your dream lifestyle seems to drift away. In this video, I'll show you 5 steps that turn that cycle around and the simple system that makes life-changing income in retirement possible. Recognize the pattern keeping you stuck. You've dedicated decades to work, yet every payday feels like hitting reset. No matter how many hours you put in, it never gets you closer to the freedom you imagined. That routine drains energy, limits time with family, and delays the life you thought retirement would bring. This proven system replaces full-time grind with a 3-hour workday built on focused, targeted tasks. You don't need to build from scratch. You just follow clear daily actions designed for progress, not exhaustion. Those short, consistent hours create momentum without sacrificing your time or peace of mind. Follow this approach and move from clocking in to time freedom as you create income that actually funds your retirement wishes. If you've been dreaming about more time freedom and living your dreams, comment "Ready for Freedom." I'll reply with a free guide that shows you how to create income that supports your lifestyle that you've been waiting for. Trade tasks for a system on autopilot. You spent most of your life earning money that stops the moment you do. Taking time off means falling behind on the projects at work, and the thought of starting over feels impossible. It's exhausting knowing your income depends entirely on you showing up every single day. This proven plan includes a behind-the-scenes system that works even when you don't. It collects email addresses, introduces your offer, sends out follow-up messages, and even takes payments, all automatically. It's like having a round-the-clock business partner that never clocks out. With the process in place, you unlock the door to time freedom, making it possible to enjoy family, travel, and the lifestyle you've been waiting for. Stop working alone and start growing together. Feeling like you're doing everything alone can make change feel overwhelming. Most people never break free from full-time work because they don't have anyone guiding or supporting them. That isolation keeps dreams buried under routine, leaving you stuck in the same cycle year after year. Here, you're surrounded by a supportive community of everyday people who've already built success. Over 100 six-figure earners share insights daily, answering questions and celebrating milestones. It's not competition, it's collaboration where everybody wants to see you win. Having a community behind you gives you confidence, accountability, and encouragement as you build income and step closer to your retirement that you've imagined. Picture this: a simple online setup that quietly works in the background, introducing people to what you offer, sending follow-up emails, and processing payments while you enjoy life. Add to that a supportive community including 100 six-figure earners guiding you every step of the way. Best of all, it's designed around a 3-hour workday, giving you time freedom to build your dream lifestyle. Get a free copy of the blueprint 100 plus six-figure earners are following. The link is in the description. Follow guidance that actually works. Learning something new later in life can feel intimidating, especially when technology changes faster than you can keep up. Many people your age stay in jobs they've outgrown because they don't know where to start or who to trust. The fear of messing up stops progress before it even begins. That's why this business includes real-time mentorship, daily short videos, and step-by-step recorded training. You'll always have clear direction from experienced mentors who've been where you are. They walk you through everything from setting up your system to creating content consistently with confidence. With ongoing mentorship, you can finally replace uncertainty with progress and move from working full-time to enjoying your dream lifestyle. Bonus: believe success before you see it. Getting to this section is a sign you're destined for more in life. Even with the right plan, doubt can creep in. After years of relying on a steady paycheck, it's easy to question whether building online income could really work for you. That hesitation can quietly delay your freedom for months or even years. The final step is belief, because this business shows proof of possibility. People who stayed consistent, followed the same steps you're learning, and built daily income through patience, mentorship, and persistence. Their belief grew with every small win until their results became their reality. When you choose belief and consistency, you begin creating income that turns your retirement years into your dream lifestyle. You've seen how real freedom begins by moving from long hours to purposeful action, building confidence, and believing in what's possible. This process isn't just about income. It's about creating the possibility to finally live your dreams. Your next step starts here. If you're ready to start building the freedom you've been dreaming about, check the link in the description to get started. Then watch the next video on my channel for more simple tips to keep your momentum going.